Friends, it is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and it's Friday, so you should know what that means. This is my personal invitation to you to join me for our live show that unfolds in 13 minutes. And guess what I'm talking about today? Which size soil blocker is the right one for you or the right one for the job? I am going to be going through and demonstrating all four of the soil blocker sizes. The two commercial and the two hand tools. I'm going to be doing that. I have some absolutely beautiful seedlings lined up over there to share with you guys to show you which one for which. And it's going to be a great show. I mean, we're in the season of lots of seed starting, right? I mean, actually here on my farm, I'm in a lull for about 2 weeks. We are done with cool, perhaps, and we're not quite ready to start warm. So it's a great time to get your peas in a row, y'all. So join me inside the Live Shop and Show app, because when you're inside the app in place of being here on social and watching the show, which we welcome you that way too, but you don't get to participate in the giveaway, the comments, the lively comments that are going on, and I do a little live Q&A at the end of the show, and you can't submit questions for that. So if you want the phone app, it's free, totally limits you when you're on social, but when you're inside the app, you can just have a much better experience. So to get the app, you can either comment app here, APP, and I'll DM the link to you, or just simply go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. And we have two apps. It's the Shop app that you're looking for the show today. You can watch replays in there, shop anytime. We have special deals going on over the weekend after the show each time. And friends, it's just, it's really our way to share what's going on here on the farm and how I do it, and the stuff I do it with, right? So just be thinking QVC with Lisa and the stuff that we sell. And so we have some seeds today that we're gonna be sharing about. And again, I have sweet pea seedlings, beet seedlings that are beautiful, peppers. Y'all, you don't wanna miss out if you are a seed starter. And this is for both home gardeners and flower farmers. And I'm gonna show you how versatile soil blocking really is. Especially if you were like me when I first started out. I lived in a little bungalow with no work building, no greenhouses. I still don't have greenhouses, but you can start a lot in a very small space. And you don't have to worry about watering because we use trays with no drainage holes, which means you can do it anywhere in your home. So come, join the fun. Love to see you there and participate. I'd give away a $25 store credit most weeks, and that is what I'm giving away today. All right, friends, I'll see you 12 noon Eastern time inside the app. You can get the app by going to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, download the Shop app. It's free, and meet me at 12 noon. And sideline, you'll see a second app there, and it's called the Learn app. That's what it's called home base to my membership, as well as all of our online courses, all in one place. But here's the thing, even if you don't own one of our products yet, I have a free course waiting for you in there. If you download the Learn app, which is also free, inside it is I put together the instructions to how to build that trellis tunnel that you often see here on my farm. So friends, lots of fun stuff rolling out here from the Gardener's Workshop. See you at 12. Ciao.